going to start? Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming today to this really inspiring campus, where we're going to do the first Hovione conference here at Nova SBE. I'm Hovione's chief executive, and I wanted to tell you why we are sponsoring a conference every year here and why we picked Factfulness. So a university is a place of learning, a place of dialogue and debate, but it's also the place that's going to give you, and now I'm talking to the students, the time that you are here is going to be the best time of your life. It's the last moment where it's all about you. After you leave this place, it's going to be responsibilities, duties, stuff you need to do for other people. So make the most of it. Have a blast. This is what I remember from what I was at university, and in my sense, I didn't do as close as what I should have done. But you see, a university cannot be a temple of learning closed into itself. It needs to be a place that's open, that allows other ideas in, and this is what Hovione wants to do. We want to contribute here to bring you something new, something interesting, something that will enrich you, and hopefully something different that you'll remember. And this conference is about this book called Factfulness. And Bill Gates said the following about this book. It's one of the most important books I've ever read, an indispensable guide to thinking clearly about the world. Anna also founded Dollar Street, the biggest systematic image bank with representative home documentations based on the data. At the moment, there are almost 30,000 photos and 10,000 video clips, which are free to use under Creative Commons license. And Ola, Hans, and Anna wrote the book, Factfulness. So please join me in welcoming Anna.
So, amazing place, and thank you so much for being here and being here this evening, and for having me. So, as you heard, I come from the Gapminder Foundation. We're a small nonprofit based in Stockholm in Sweden. And our mission statement is to work for a fact-based worldview that everyone can understand. And all of these parts of the word of the mission statement are actually very important. A fact-based worldview, consistent worldview, and then that everyone can understand. So we wrote the book Factfulness, and it's now being translated into 40 languages, and we're just, overwhelmed and fascinated that people actually seems to enjoy reading it. So the book starts with actually asking 13 fact questions, and that's the same questions we asked you. So let's see how you did, right? One of the questions, global climate experts believe that over the next 100 years, the average temperature will get warmer, stay the same, or get colder. And get warmer is usually what the consensus in the researchers' community. And we actually asked this question in 14 countries to representative samples. We haven't been to Portugal, so we're going to compare you with the US. But anyways, these are the results for these countries. In the future, there will be more people in Asia, more people in Africa, and if we continue more into the future, this is what the UN is expecting until year 2100. What we call West, traditionally, is going to be a small fraction of the world population, because here, down there is where things are going to happen. 92% of the world population is expected to be there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for staying this late. Thank you. Oh, yes. I remember now.
I hope you'll remember this because it was interesting and different. Thank you very much. Good night.